Hello. In this video, I will go over the sulfonation and the acylation of benzene rings. In the sulfonation mechanism of benzene rings, our reagent is concentrated sulfuric acid, and our electrophile is this SO3. Now, the pi bond attacks the S, and one of the pi bonds on the SO bond breaks and goes to the oxygen, such that we have this following product. Similar to the previous mechanisms, and almost all the mechanisms in this chapter, our base will deprotonate this hydrogen, and the electrons will form a pi bond as follows, so that we re-aromatize our benzene ring. And water can transfer a proton to this oxygen, such that we form this final product of the SO3 with SO2 3H, like so. And to correct a previous issue, this is SO3 like this. EAS acylation is the addition of a carbonyl species on our benzene ring, and it happens in the following way. We first prepare a good electrophile. So this group attacks AlCl3 to form this compound. This breaks off to become AlCl4 plus this species. This ion can also be written like this in resonance form, is not subject to rearrangement and has resonance stabilization, and this is your electrophile. Thus, in this reaction, the pi bond attacks this carbon, and we form this species. As usual, a base, or we can write it as AlCl4 minus, deprotonates this hydrogen, and the electrons come down to reform a pi bond here to re-aromatize the ring. And now we've acylated, thereby adding a carbonyl species.